2 more deer down there. It's opening day here in PA. It is cold. The snow is on the ground, which is kind of rare for us. It makes it awesome for hunting. We just put down a doe here. Had a little bit of a buck chasing some deer out in front of me. I was walking here. Had the camera on the tripod. It made it kind of interesting to get this thing on camera here, but we snuck up to where that buck was. There was another doe down there. And as we were sneaking to that doe, the first 3 that buck chased came right down to me. I mean, she was 10 yards. And the muzzleloader did its thing, and we got a doe down. Awesome hunting.
I journey through the darkness, through the deepest and the hardest. I wear the scars like tattoos, every single break and bruise, so I know what the cost is. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me. You're walking it like you're Goliath, but do you really wanna try it? They tell me that you're 10 feet tall. They tell me you can never fall, but I don't really buy it. I'll go through anything to get where I wanna be. Nothing you throw at me gonna knock me off of my feet. It might take everything, so if you want it, you gotta be ready to bleed. 'Cause I'll go through anything, and you're gonna have to go through me.
is freezing cold.